Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Niro from km to miles step by step. Start at the home screen on your instrument cluster and press the menu button. Use the up and down arrows to navigate to settings, then unit settings. Select distance and choose miles to apply. Confirm any prompts and return to the main display. If the odometer stays in kilometers, restart the vehicle and check again. Accessing the menu is simple and consistent across Kia Niro models. With the vehicle on or in accessory mode, press the steering wheel menu button once. You will see a list of options on the instrument cluster. Use the arrow keys to move through the list. Highlight Settings and press OK to open the submenu where Unit Options live. Take your time and use gentle presses to avoid missing the correct item. Once inside Settings, scroll to the Units or Display Units entry, which controls metric and imperial formats. Select distance or speed units, then choose miles and confirm the selection. The instrument cluster should update the speedometer and trip meter instantly to miles and miles per hour. If prompted, accept any confirmation dialogues. Finally, take a short drive or toggle the ignition to ensure the change persists and displays correctly across all screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.